So, we're now in Japan, but it's already 10 p.m. and we landed at 8 p.m. The immigration took so long, like we were there for like over an hour. So I'm not really in a good mood right now. We're so hungry, so we might just eat in the airport and cancel our Dotonburi plans for the day one dinner, since it's probably closed by the time we get there. I'm about to order for the first time in Japan, sandhao. Is that chicken?
Yeah, chicken, rice, and noodles.
Okay. Oh, thank you. I'm with them for the rest of the trip. I got udon and chicken rice for $9.40. Kaya mas type ko yun nasa Philippines na katsudon. So windy and the wind is also really cold. I feel like I'm in an air-conditioned room. Good morning, Osaka. It's currently 10 something right now, and we're about to get breakfast at Kuromon Ichiban Market.
It's so good. It's like Wagyu.
It's not as soft, but it's good.
I wanna know what'll get you started. Your morning glow, shining like a starlet. You say hello, don't wave across my bed. Don't let it go, we're moving up the mileage. And I know you got a secret, and I'ma keep it. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm a star. And I've got my dance clothes. You won't be wild.
Sashimi is good, but there's a difference that we can't really pinpoint if it's like more fresh or more bland. No, sabi mo?
All night, I just thought I'd let you know. Mornings look like the sun's about to exhale.
Try this mochi chocolate. Okay, let's try one.
Looking on up, that smile must be a spell. In the new light, looking on back, you know so well. Hit you back up with the dunes and get to know us.
We're gonna try this chocolate strawberry dumpling. That also looks like this, supposedly.
I'm a star and I've got my dance clothes, and we'll be wildin'. 'Cause you gon' make the best of me when I'm I know you got a secret.
I think it's too dry. Like if the strawberries were bigger, it'd be better. It's kind of bland, like the mochi part, obviously. And then the chocolate's kind of bland also. So I would appreciate a bigger strawberry slice.
So cute. Let's try size small. This is medium and it's a bit big. So cute. You need a bag? Yes.
Yes, this one. Yes, have a passport.
Yes. Oh, thank you. I always forget. It's my first day. Okay, thank you.
I drop heaven. They said you can wear with contacts. You can put these with contacts, and then this one you can't. This is the one I always get, but then, yeah. How will I know if it fits me? Ah. Oh! It's too small. This is so cute. Look, it's so tiny. So big. Oh, these are cool.
So far, I haven't really gotten anything. A lot of their pieces are quite expensive for something thrifted. It's like at the price of kind of brand new, around 1k, over 1k. This is 1k. Around 1k. Yeah, I don't think it's worth it. Wala. Ako wala din eh. It's too pricey nga for thrifted. Like, I feel like my purchase at Nike earlier was more worth it. It's new. It looks cool. It was like 2k, and then the pricing here is like 1.5, 2k. And also used clothing, so I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Just got my usual iced tea. The one that I ordered in the Philippines, it's golden monkey tea. This one's black iced tea, and it's bitter, like tea bitter. This was 500 yen, so that's around 250 or 230. I can't believe I spent 230 just for literal tea that's iced. Oh well, it's refreshing either way. Like anything in the vintage section, but I think I'll like something in their brand, which is the second floor. I have it here. Is this too big on me? I think it's so big for me, for my size. Okay, I think we'll get it. Oh, this is so cute for my fit today. I like the fit. I'm super picky with bucket hats just because I think like not all of them fit the same way. See, this one looks weird on me. I think I need to get like the circular ones. See, my shopping bag for the day. I'll get these for the loafers and stuff like that. I need long socks, so I think like 150 is a good price. They also have a lot of cute shoes that some people would appreciate, but not me. Gosh, guys, there's more. These are so cool. Oh my god, I need to get it. I need to get it. You know, this is so cute, but I'll only wear it like once. It's worth around 300 pesos. This is such a cool ring though. Maybe not in black. I don't want to look like a trash bag. Ooh. I think this is a better like garter. This one's more flattering than this. These are so cute. I should get at least one of them. This is perfect for events. I think this one is so cute. I love how it flows, and it's also really flattering by the waist, like the waistband. It's not like adding extra width. So for this one, it's so unique, but I kind of mixed emotions about it. Like, I don't know if it looks like classy street. It was better in my head. Or maybe it's just not for my height. This one, I vibe. I think it's unique. It's not just like any parachute cargo pants. I kind of got a lot of items, so I asked if they have tax refund, and I have to go all the way to the 5th floor. So in case you guys are gonna go here and are gonna buy a lot of stuff, you should go to the highest floor of this building, or Wego rather, which is the 5th floor. Sorry, Wego. I think it's Wego, my bad. Oh, this is like so perfect for people who have like same vibes as Ashley Garcia. This mirror is so cute. I spent 15,000 yen in a store, which is like 7 something K. I think less than 7.5 but more than 7K Philippine peso. I got to buy a lot though, so right now I'm at Mura, I think that's how you say it, and I love how there's a lot of like shopping places, good stores, both local and international. There's really good finds. I've been to Adidas, Atmos, Wego, and there's a lot of like really unique pieces. And right now I am on the way to GU. I think it's like a partner store of Uniqlo, if I'm not mistaken. I'm excited for GU because the last time I went there was in Hong Kong, all the way back in 2017. GU is quite similar to Uniqlo. It has a lot of basics. It's on sale. I think I'm a small. There's no small. They also have cargo pants here, which is honestly everywhere, but these are at 1.5. Oh my god. This is like as a set. So cute, guys. I just want the cardigan though, but this one's in medium. So cute. This one maybe 50-50. I don't like how my bra is like the same. So cute. I got one in medium. So in Mura, there's the usual stores like Nike, Adidas. There's also a lot of consignment stores. A good one is Atmos. And then we also went to GU. We bought a lot of stuff. A lot of the brands here are kind of pricey though, so you guys might need the budget. You will definitely enjoy this alley if you have money to spend. I'm interested to try this and this. Sayang 100 yan. Oh. And then?
It's right yata.
Ito?
Yeah. Yeah. Great. Huh?
Ah?
Huh?
Wow.
Sa baba yata.
You know the thing about like Japan, like people just bike. They're so good at it. Like they can just swerve whenever. It's like a sweetened version of tempura.
Couldn't have fallen for you sooner. Soon as I met you, I was tuning. All my friends looking for a future.
They had like 4 flavors. I only remember barbecue, vinegar, and soy. And we got barbecue. And I don't think I've ever heard or tried like a barbecue flavored takoyaki. Like usually the difference is octopus, fish, chicken, etc. So we'll see if this is good. So there's like udon over here. Then there's I think this is curry if I'm not mistaken. But I really want to try. It's just that I have my takoyaki right now and I really feel like eating takoyaki.
Maybe tomorrow morning I'll get my breakfast here. They even have like pasta.
Just imagine how good my college life would have been if every 7-Eleven Family Mart were like this.
As long as we plan it, we could keep this up. Like what you make it. We could take it where we want. I could keep you right.
I wanted this yesterday.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real.
And we're here at Namba Station to ride the train, which is all the way like in the station of the airport, just one station away. The outlet mall is called Rinku Outlet.
Think you look better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do.
You know what's crazy in Lawson's here? They just have Wuji here.
Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6.
So I'm gonna get this shirt. Super comfy and lightweight. It's kind of big when it comes to the shoulders, but when it comes to the sleeves, it's too tight. I forget the extra small. That's why I got this. My sunscreen is available here. Can't believe this is just $350 here or something, and in the Philippines it's like 500 something, 535 I think. Time to hoard. So I'm here right in front of the Dotonbury Bridge, I think, and I shopped a lot at the Don Quijote in Dotonbury. There are other branches in the area, but then I think this one is the biggest one. Like literally they have everything from makeup to skincare, electronics, clothing, luggages, and etc. But it's not the best for me. Good. Harami has a bit of spice. Like super bit lang. Like hint lang. Never mind. Wala daw. We ordered both the loin and the harami again. This one's a bit more like cave barbecue, and then this one more like steak probably. I'm getting my favorite dessert. This one. What will I probably eat tomorrow? Wow. Okay, tomorrow.